not.
This is the cat after he found out about fire.
He didn't meow or nothing.
What an idiot.
I wonder if he's gonna touch it again.
I hope he does.
Oh my god, he's an idiot.
Stupid cat.
Betty!
Oh my god, what a stupid cat.
No, they returned it like that.
I got it all on video too.
Oh, look at his paw. It's a little brat.
Oh my god. I can't let him do it again. That's just cruel.
Well, he should know better, but it's hot.
He doesn't know better. He's a cat.
Baby, the other cats don't do shit like this. It's just asking. Look. Look. Look at the window. Don't use his other paw. Look at that. He won't let it go now. What the fuck? Yeah, that's ketchup for you.
I think he's done being stupid.
Think?
Yeah.
You learned his lesson now? Well, I don't know.